Mohammed Abdul Hadi is asking that I'm a beginner in share market. How to know which company potentially grow in future with sector wise, for example, chemical, pharmaceutical, FMCG, IT, auto. Thank you and waiting for your valuable suggestions. I have some strong views here. There are great companies in lousy sectors, and there are great, there could be a sector which is very bad, and there could be a great company which is doing well, having good return on equity, and it has generated wealth for investors. And there could be bad companies in a great sector. We have come across, I don't know if you remember in the mid 90s, late 90s, when the technology boom happened, there were bad companies. There was one big company called DSQ Software, or Satyam, for example. So there were bad companies in a great sector. In that sector, there were companies which were growing by 20%, 25% relentlessly over the next decade. But here are companies, which actually faltered. Likewise, if you come across many companies in a bad sector, I don't come across, too many companies in the fertilizer sector, for example. And then you have one company which actually is profitable, growing, high return on equity. So I would say that get company sectors and all these things don't matter. Choosing a good company which will grow over a period of time, and if you have the patience and time to understand that and stick with it after your understanding, that I think is crucial. So stock investing and profiting, to profit from that, you need to really have, your temperament is just as important than spotting that great company, because you can spot a great company and with a 50% jump in price, you will just run away simply because you think that you have made your money. If you come across all the great companies where you have made money, or investors have benefited substantially, they have they have benefited by holding on to great companies, holding your winners, getting rid of your losers, and believing in your winners and validating it periodically. Just your belief won't help. It must be backed by facts. It must be backed by, higher earnings, superior margins, rising market share, having a competitive advantage, a credible management, all these things. Value Research Stock Advisor can help you, work on a universe of these kind of companies. Come, subscribe, try it out. If you don't like it, you can cancel it in 15 days and get a full refund. If you like it, then I think, become a long-term subscriber. You build your portfolio from Value Research Stock Advisor and build a great portfolio. Get interested. Don't buy any stock till you have read the thesis. And because we can provide you ideas, you have to build your own conviction or your own belief. And we will provide you with all the help to develop that belief, or all the inputs to that. We will be influencing you about those companies. We will also be warning you when you have to sell those stocks if something untoward or something substantially different has happened beyond which we never expected, and that will have a long-term impact on that company's performance. So try it out.